Welcome to this in-depth review of Bankcomat, an all-in-one platform for crypto enthusiasts, traders, and beginners alike. If you're looking for a seamless way to exchange cryptocurrency or securely manage your assets, Bankcomat has it all. The platform offers a sleek, user-friendly interface where you can access a variety of tools to facilitate your crypto transactions. Starting with the homepage, you'll notice a clean layout showcasing the latest crypto exchange rates in real time. This feature is particularly helpful for those who want to make informed trading decisions. The exchange calculator is prominently displayed, allowing you to input the desired amount of crypto or fiat currency and instantly see the conversion. Navigating through the website, you'll find detailed sections dedicated to supported currencies, security protocols, and customer support. Bankcomat ensures your transactions are secure by implementing advanced encryption technology. Their customer support is available 24/7, ready to assist you with any queries or issues you may encounter. Now, let's explore the wallet integration feature. Bankcomat provides a built-in wallet for users to store their digital assets securely. This eliminates the need for third-party wallets and ensures convenience for every transaction. Depositing and withdrawing funds is a breeze, with multiple payment methods supported, including bank transfers and credit cards. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Bankcomat also offers insightful tools such as transaction history logs and analytics, enabling users to track their activity and optimize their trading strategies. Additionally, the platform caters to global users, offering multilingual support and a range of currency options to suit your needs. To get started with Bankcomat, simply create an account, verify your identity, and begin exploring the platform's robust features. The registration process is straightforward, designed to save you time and get you trading as quickly as possible. For those new to cryptocurrency, Bankcomat includes educational resources to help you understand the basics of trading and asset management. Don't forget to explore the settings page, where you can customize your preferences and enable two-factor authentication for added security. This is highly recommended to safeguard your account and personal data. If you're finding this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about Bankcomat, or if there are other platforms you'd like us to review.